What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can earn $90 or even more in 40 minutes or less. I'm actually going to share with you also how you can earn even more money with the exact same strategy and method. So to find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so as I said, I'm actually going to share with you a few more opportunities here on how you can earn even more with the exact same strategy and method I'm going to share with you here today. So what you need to do is pay attention, watch the whole video here so you don't miss out on any important information. And if you're also interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that you can have a closer look at when we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's see how we can earn $90 in 40 minutes or less. Let's get started. Okay, so first off, we are going to the site here, which is Userlytics, userlytics.com, and this is actually when someone arrives to the site, so we can have a look at first what this is all about. Okay, so big companies come here, they want to test something, we want to have tested. Mostly a website, probably they want to test a new website, some colors or whatever it can be there, some new buttons and so on. And what they do is when the company comes here, they select the target persona, they define the goals, the tasks and the questions, and of course they want some feedback back on it, because this is how it works in the real world. This is how big companies, they improve, they get better and better. That is by asking, they're getting some results back, some feedbacks, and that is how they improve their products or whatever it is they are going to sell there. And if I scroll down a little bit here, you can see that they do have really some big clients here. We're talking about Microsoft, we're talking about Google, Philips, L'Oreal, American Airlines, Washington Post, so definitely a well-known company with very good reputation, I would say. So basically I'm going to scroll down at the bottom here, and we are interested in go to the section where it says be paid to participate. So let me open this up in a new tab, and you can see here you get paid to test websites and apps. So you register and you earn money by completing the short and easy form on this page and join our global community of user testers. You interact with web or even a mobile app actually also here. Alright, and that is by answering a few simple questions. So this is super easy to do. And you get paid via PayPal. So look at this. Once your test results has been approved, depending upon the user test project, you can be paid 5, 10, 15, 20 or other amounts. Some of our projects pay as much as $90 for having fun, expressing opinions while navigating the web. So, I mean, it is exactly as they say, and you are going to test an app or a website there, you're going to express, you're going to, for example, I'm going to show you actually an example here also how easy this is. But let's say they tell you that can you find the bottom, the red bottom, and you're searching for that, and you tell what you think. You're just going to talk out loud, and they record that so they can have that feedback. So how it works here, let's have a look at the details. Basically, something I noticed here also with this site is that usually they say that you must be 18 years or older. So you can see here that they say that I confirm that I'm 16 years of age or older. So this is a great opportunity if you are 16 and above also. So how it works is that you can see that they do explain once again, if you enjoy being paid on a one-time part basis to check out the usability of apps or a website, as you test from home on your own time whenever you are free. So you can do this exactly whenever you want, all right? Don't feel that you have to be a participant in a specific hour or something like that. And of course they do once again mention here that your work will consist of completing a series of tasks and instructions while interacting with prototype or production websites or mobile apps, or actually viewing video commercials. So that is super cool also. Or other digital user interfaces while speaking out loud your thoughts, emotions, criticism and suggestions, and while answering questions. And once again they mention here that you will be paid anywhere from $5 up to $90 while doing so. Here is something that is very interesting also, because what countries can you test from? You can see here, they say that a lot of user testing projects are in Europe and North America, but they do also have recently started to do more fun projects in South Africa, Southeast Asia, Japan, China and other countries around the world. So in my opinion, it's definitely a worldwide opportunity. All you have to do is sign up and see if it is available in your country there. Now you can use your free time to have fun and earn money, and that is exactly what you do. Here they do explain a little bit of what kind of a software and hardware you need. So basically you need a desktop, Mac or a PC with Windows 7 or higher, and a standard browser program like Chrome, Firefox, a microphone for some tests. You might need a webcam as well. And they have their own recorder actually, so they want you to install it. And then we have the mobile, for mobile using an Android 5.0 Lollipop or higher, or iPhone with iOS 11 or higher here. Standard browser, of course, a microphone, and they might want you to have the front camera in some of these. So that is more or less how this works. So there is actually, let's see here, a frequently asked questions also. Let's have a quick look here. What do I have to do during a test? You need to follow the usability test instructions as provided by our clients. See following frequently asked questions. It is very important that you speak your thoughts out loud, as you browse through the site there. So try speaking and sharing your thoughts aloud during the entire user experience test. Some user tests require a webcam view, some do not. So they might want to see your expression, that is why they want to see that on the camera. But it doesn't matter really, this is so easy to do. And what kind of sites will I be usability testing? They do explain here, it's prototypes, advertisements, videos. So you get paid actually for watching videos. How cool is that? All right. And you will not be asked to view sites that do not meet the terms of use guidelines also. So you don't have to worry about it. And here they do explain what it consists of. So I'm not going to read through everything here. But let's have a quick look here. Register for an account. Pretend you're looking for a pair of jeans. Search for jeans. Look through the results. Proceed to checkout. But you stop, of course, before the ordering is confirmed. So exactly as I said, they want to see how easy it is to find these jeans, for example, and purchase it. So if not, they want to improve it. And that is how it works, as I said, in the real world. By serving, by answering, that is how they're going to improve. And of course, you will be asked for the site navigation, the overall concept, ease of use, design, video, colors, layout, and so on. So it's super easy. You just tell your opinion, more or less. So if they ask you, what do you think about the color? Yeah, it's cool. It could be blue, more blue, or something like that. So it's super easy to do this. Now, typical user test will require 20 to 40 minutes to complete. And do I have to use real data for usability test? No, in Userlytics we're always looking to protect our participants, so don't worry about it. You actually, if you ever take a part in a test that requires personal information like a credit card or something like that, then please stop taking the test and contact us. So don't worry about sharing any private information there. Now, how many tests can I do per day? We cannot tell you because it definitely depends on the company and how often they want to have feedback. So have a look at the rest of the questions here for yourself actually. I think you should do it anyway before you sign up, so you definitely want to do this. All right? Now, what I wanted to share with you actually also is a few other sites here. So let's save ourselves some time, because you are not going to get every single day jobs to test here, all right? So it means that we need to earn some money, because you're not going to get rich with these opportunities. So what you need to do is go to other similar sites, and here is one site, is userfeel.com. Works really more or less pretty similar actually. I have shared this in the past, so you can see here, run a usability test. So if you want to get started with it, you can sign up as a tester. So you can see here, you just need to fill in all the details. Testers frequently asked questions. You can see here that each test lasts 10 to 20 minutes and is completed with your home computer. So as I said, it works more or less the same way as we had a look at earlier here. Here is actually one more site I'm going to share with you in today's video here, and that is usertesting.com. And you can see here you can earn up to $60 per test, and it takes you about $10 for 60 minutes, or $60 it would be probably for 40 minutes or maybe 1 hour. But it doesn't matter. I still think it's pretty good money for just having a look and search and express yourself there about a website or an app or whatever it is you're going to test. All the sites pay out via PayPal money, so that is also very nice. They are legit, these sites here also, so do not worry about that. They have been around for years. So there you have it. Now you're probably not going to get rich by testing websites, because I hope that you realize that there isn't testing opportunities every single day. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I want you to have a closer look at when we finish here. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship, and much more. And you also find an end screen here right now where I have another Make Money Online video recommendation for you. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.